going on, everybody? Good morning. It is Saturday morning here in Orlando, Florida. It's fucking cold. I'm in my hoodie. It's about 50 degrees out. I know that's not cold for most people, but for people down here in Florida, I'm freezing. And I got a big announcement today. Today's going to be an exciting day. I, Florida's finest, have sold my DRZ 400 SM. Yes, that is correct. I'm very sad. It was a great bike. I hate to see it go, but I made a good amount of money off it, and it was time for me to upgrade. So, what bike did I get? Well, here is the reveal. I think you guys might be a little bit excited. It is a 2011 Honda CRF 450R. Oh my god, what an upgrade. Yes, now, hold on. The graphics are ugly. It looks a little ugly. It needs a little bit of work. But this bike will be the bike of all bikes. Oh man, just take that in. Just look at it. God, what a good looking bike. It is a 2011, like I said, CRF 450R. It is fuel injected. No more fucking carburetors. And, oh man, she's got potential. It's got a full race FMF power bomb exhaust. I believe it's titanium too, and then the titanium performance FMF 401 pipe on it, which I think that's pretty good. I don't know much about FMF. It's got the breakaway brake and clutch leathers, which I was pretty happy about. Rental bars, grips, oversized foot pegs, and yeah, this is going to be my monster. This will be the bike of all bikes. It is not street legal. There's no tag on it. And it's going to get a lot of work done to it. I am getting it street legal. I'm in the process of it. It is very difficult here in Florida, so don't ask me how to do it because I really don't know. My buddies helped me do it. But once I get the plate for this bike, I am putting a lot of money into it. So stay tuned. It's going to be very, very exciting. But I've actually got it 4 days ago, and I've been away for work, and I just got back last night, so I plan on spending all day with this bike. So I'm going to check the oil. Oh yeah, do an oil change today, check the valves. I know the valves are very what's the word I'm looking for, tent metal with these bikes. No, that's not the right word. Just the valves, they can get a spec on the race bikes, but that's the price you pay for 56 horsepower at 240 pounds when that's 330 pounds and 34 horsepower. But yeah, I'm very excited. But yeah, and then I plan on taking it out today in some trails and hit some dirt with it. So expect some off-roading videos for a while until I get it all situated with the build. But yeah, let's see if I can get it started. It's pretty cold this morning, so it's a cold start. Exhaust is cold, ice cold. It is kick only too, so bear with me here. Let me see if I can get it started. Oh. Almost. There she is. It's a little cold out. Oh man, it's cold. But yeah, very exciting day. So I got big plans for this bike. Trust me, it's not going to look anything like this when I'm done with it. But yeah, I'm very happy. So I plan on playing with this bike all day today. And probably when you guys watch this video, you're going to see some dirt riding footage right now. Actually, before I show you some dirt footage of me riding it, let me show you one of my new toys I just bought. Woo! It's my new Glock 43, my concealed carry gun, and an extra mag. And I just got the Tactical Justice holster, basically a carbon fiber with some blood red in it. And God, this gun is beautiful. Let me show you. Oh man, what a good looking gun. This is Glock's new 9mm and is single stacked, so it's very skinny. As you can see, it's only 6+1. And man, this is one of my favorite guns. It is so small. And I'm a small guy, I'm not very big. So I need something small that I can carry. But yeah, thought I'd show you guys that. I'm pretty excited about it. Changing tires on the KTM. My GoPro's almost dead. You guys doing a good job.
I just want to fucking manhandle it off of here right now.
Nah, this is way stronger. So, it went back where it was. Maybe.